So, I have a small job and I decided to do it at once. It's a little bit color. So, I already made my clear coat. I only forgot one thing. And that is here. I don't know. Yes, connection is still there. Okay, I have a new way to make blending zones for the clear coat, so I can show you. Just tape it, the blending zone. I've done it a couple of times and it works good, so hopefully I can get better at it. So maybe you guys do it already, so but I didn't. I never did it like this, but I like it. So like this, and that one like this. So maybe a little bit more. So then fold it a little bit. Get a big flyer floppy. And it looks like this. That's good. Also, I'll do it here. Just a little bit. So maybe one more. It's needed. Okay. Fold it. Fold it also a little bit. So. It's with this camera, I like it that I can talk way better than before. So I hope you guys also can learn from me more. Again, using this one, I always use it. Sometimes I take a new one. Okay, I was thinking to get my pattern a little bit smaller, and maybe it's too big now. So just a little bit. It's like an airbrush now. It's good that it's on the round side, so when the light's coming up, it's maybe a little bit lighter. I will spray it out a little bit. I think it's good. Some guy told me that there was a little bit through there. So blow it. It's so small, I can wait at it. Yes, it's coming. Almost done. So, looks good. Maybe a little bit effect coat. Get some nice metallics. Okay, that's it. Oh, it's a lot of work today, so I'm always in a little bit of a hurry. I have a new gun. Maybe a little bit lower now. On 5. So I put on my mask now. You can see what I did. I spray away from this floppy. I spray it to there. When it's come in, you get lines and you can't get them away. So I wait a little bit. Just a minute. Then I have this one needed. I need this one. I will place it here. A clean spot, and then I spray second a little bit more, and then remove this, spray a little bit more, and just a little bit of this. I hope it works. I think it will. It will work. That's my motto. If you think that it's done already good, it will be. So is everything in life. You must visualize how you want it as end result, and the way comes to you to make it like that. So wise words, I can tell you. It's universal words, universal wisdom. Nah, it's already sticky. I sprayed a little bit, so put on my mask again. Finish this. Okay. It's okay. It's looking good. Okay, as I said, spray over it, also here, can see it there, and then a little bit, perfect, it's just there. Perfect, small job. Maybe you can see it already looks good. The spray out zone of the blending zone. You can't see anything. It must be a little bit comes out, and then it will be perfect. Maybe a little bit polished, but I don't think so. Okay guys, it was an easy job, or not maybe an easy job, but a small job, and it looks good. Thank you for watching again. So, it's really hot today. Thank you guys.